Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video we are going to be learning how you can create this amazing glowing effect in CapCut. So let's get started. First, what we are going to be doing is importing a video onto our timeline. So I have this Minecraft Steve with a green screen. We are not going to be removing the green screen. So what you need to do is simply head over to effects, and from there you're going to be applying some effects. First is smart sharpen, so you're going to be applying that on your video, and after that you can see we have this option of edge glow. So we are going to be applying that in some parts of our video, so let's say 2 or 3 times, so it looks really dynamic, and you can see now the effects is looking really great. And one more effect which we are going to be applying here is that this light leak effect, which is named as leak 2. So apply this onto your entire video and you can see we have this amazing edge glowing effect. So I really hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.